I don't think you listen. You listen.
Normally I don't do this, but y'all gon' keep the party going.
For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not the same. It must mean I'm a your case. For me to come out, it means that I'm not teacher. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need space.
For my YouTube. We are at the Malcolm right now and shopping for my kittens. I went there with my friend and we're shopping for kittens, and I got some really nice ones I'll be showing later on in the video. It's nice. After the mall, we came here to get a mattress. Yeah, so that's what we are getting here, mattress. And we are here shopping for my bed. I'm also shy, but yeah. Let's enter. No, like this one. Like, let it come over. Yeah, let it come over. You can do it. Let it cover the I'll add one more cream here and this one, another cream here. I want it to be free. I wanted to go with nude, but I went with this. I'm talking to my vlog.
Okay.
You see, this is a bit light as compared this on a creamy side as compared to this one, so this is gonna be in the middle. Like, you get that vibe? Yeah. We add in one curtain in the middle. Cream. Yeah. Another cream. My place is beginning to look more like a place. I'm gonna add one more of this over here. That's messy. And then I have this. Definitely gonna add one here. I want it to be more fuller, and one more here. Yeah. Excited. I just can't wait for everything to come together. I'm thinking of putting the bed over here. But guys, I'll keep you updated if anything. Ooh, the sun. When the sun, the lights, the okay guys, I'm already enjoying this place. Just know this place is going to bring more good things. Yeah, I'm manifesting it. I manifested this and it's here. Dream big, dreams do come true. Hi guys, so today is one of those days where I just don't feel like doing anything, but I have to do this. So I got this wardrobe. What's this thing? I don't know. It's hot. I think I need to let a carpenter come and fix it. So I'm going to pack my things in here. Yeah. Now, y'all can see inside. Yeah. So I'm gonna start packing some things inside, but before that I'll have to clean inside. Let me use this to, you know, clean inside. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but like I bought it from somewhere. I think she was moving from her place and I just happened to saw it and I bought it. Yeah. So I'm gonna pack my dresses over here because since I moved in here, it's been kind of difficult for me to get dresses to wear. So I'm going to arrange it in order of importance. Those that I don't wear often, I would pack it somewhere here, and those that I wear often here. Yeah. So let's get started. I've got some new clothes here. It was really nice, but I don't wear it often. I've never even worn this before. The time will come for you, okay? At this point, I don't even know what did I clean here? Guys, I'm just all over the place. I have these fabrics my mom gave me. How did you get here? Put it at the last end. Yeah. fast forward this part. Never want this to be full
Normally I don't do this, but y'all gonna keep the party going.
For me to come out, it must mean I'm a teacher. It must mean I'm not decent. It must mean I'm okay.
This was my birthday dress.
Come out, it means that I'm not teacher. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need fair. Fair to believe, fair to receive. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me.
Just fixed my AC and I couldn't vlog the process because I was doing my hair, but that's it. So I'm waiting on my bed. My bed comes to be somewhere here. Yeah.
Bring me a pass. Give me one.